Oh, this cute. So cute, so stylish, so chic, so me. Hey guys, it's your girl Chocolate Curls, also known as Amari Elisa on my socials, Instagram and Twitter. And today's video is going to be how I achieved this hairstyle. If you're watching and you're already wondering like, oh my god, her hair is so cute, oh my god, I love her hair, oh my god, guess what? You're in luck, because this video is how to achieve this look right here. Yeah, you guessed it. Alright guys, so I don't want to bore you too much. I'm going to jump right into it. I already did the back of my head because it's just difficult and there's no way I can show you guys that part. But I will show you how I do the front. I'm going to take some rubber bands and some of my Haitian hair oil by Donata's Co. I put the oil on the rubber bands because I've learned by watching other videos that this helps the rubber bands slip and not, pull on your hair or tug on your hair. And it can also help your hair grow a little bit, I guess, if you have some good hair growth oil on there and it's close to your scalp. Think about it. Just think about it. I'm going to be doing this style on some freshly stretched hair using my no heat blowout method because I want this style to last me as long as possible. I'm going to be using a rat tail comb to do my parts. Something with a really fine tip will be perfect if you want your parts to be on fleek. And to add to this fleektivity, I'm going to be using this Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste. It's super thick, like an edge control type formula or type product, and I'm just going to be applying this to all of my parts to make sure they're as sharp as possible. I like this product because it is thick like an edge control but moisturizing and just good enough for me to get those extra unnecessary hairs out of the way for a nice sharp part. If you struggle with making your parts neat like I do recommend this. I'm going to go ahead and do all of the ponytails first before I even worry about doing any crocheting or do at least this section here so I can go ahead and show you guys how it's done. I advise you to do all ponytails first to get that out of the way before doing any crocheting because it'll really just make life easier. I do about 3 or 4 wraps around with the rubber band on my hair because I want the ponytail to be tight but not too tight to the point where I can't slide the crochet needle underneath in order to get that hair through. As I got closer towards the top of my head, I did do the parts a bit smaller and I did want the ponytails to be a lot neater. So I did apply a little bit more of the curl paste to my hair, and I also went over the paste with my edge brush to make sure that the hair is super slick. To execute this style, I will be using the Wavy Bomb Twist Hair by Expressions. I went ahead and unraveled the hair and unraveled the twist before this video to save some time. And I got the 18-inch hair, so what I did was cut that hair in half because I did not want long twists. So you can save money by purchasing the 18-inch versus the 12-inch and just go ahead and split that in half, and that way you have double the amount of hair versus, just the regular amount. I also purchased this crochet needle from the beauty supply store for only 99 cents. Super easy to use. You just make sure it is unhooked. You slide it underneath your rubber band, hook your hair onto it, close it up, and then slide it right back through. If you know me, you know that I do not play about keeping my hair moisturized underneath my protective styles. I will be using the Miel Twisting Souffle to moisturize my real hair, and I will be taking my real hair, splitting it in half, and then twisting like I normally would, but just with the weave, and making sure I pull on it nice and tight for the first few ones to make sure that it stays nice and close up on my root. The best part about this crochet method is that you don't need to have a plait at the beginning. You don't have to worry about the hair slipping from up on your root or anything like that because the rubber band kind of holds the hair in place. So it makes it look like it's really tight and nice up on the scalp with just 2 simple, easy steps, a rubber band and crochet. I finished off each of my twists with a rubber band and went ahead and gave it a nice blunt cut because I wanted them to have an even cut all the way around. And to do my highlight look, I went and got some brighter red hair in the color 450, I believe. I'm not sure. I'll put it down below. And I mixed it with the burgundy hair that I had. Each twist came with about 3 strands of hair. So I would do 2 parts red and 1 part burgundy, or 1 part burgundy. Like, I would just switch it up on how I wanted to do it. And I would do the same exact crochet method, just implementing a little bit of that brighter color with the darker color. I didn't want it to be a harsh red or a harsh change, which is why I mixed it with the original color, and you can see how nicely they blend together. I'm now 3/4 done with my hair at this point. Thank God. I have all types of muscles. My arms are hurting. You know the pain. If you're natural and you do your hair, you already know the pain that I'm going through right now. I'm going to reiterate it one more time for you guys. Each strand comes with about 3 curls of hair. And what I did was, of course, cut that in half, and then I split it evenly, and then I'm going to go ahead and crochet it into my hair, making sure the loop is down, hook it on, close the loop, and then pull through. I'm doing my twist nice and tight because I do want a natural look at the end of the day. I know I'm going for a passion twist look, but I also want it to look like my natural hair and some natural twists. I'm going to add my twisting souffle onto my hair to keep my hair nice and moisturized, tighten up my ponytail, and then do a normal twist. I promise you guys this style is a lot easier than it looks. This is my first time ever doing crochet, my first time ever doing passion twist, and my first time in a long time ever using weave with my real hair and doing it myself. So I promise you, you can do this style. It is a lot easier than it looks. There is no reason you should be going and paying someone over $100 to do a style as simple as passion twist. Now that I've done it, this crochet method makes it super easy, and I know for a fact that a lot of you out there who are going and paying people to do this can be saving a bunch of money. And to think that I was super hesitant on recording this in the first place because I haven't recorded a video in a long time because I've been super busy with my business, Don't Touch My Curls. But I just knew that once I dropped my picture on the timeline of this hairstyle, the people who have already been on my neck asking me, when is the next video going to be? When are you recording again? Y'all are going to be on my neck even more. So I recorded it for you. If you're watching it and you know you would have wrote me, this video is definitely for you. So I hope you like it and I hope you're happy. And this is the finished look, which you already saw in the beginning, but just bringing it right back. Like, subscribe, comment, click the bell to be notified. Tell a friend to tell a friend